Welcome students. In this session we are going to take the problems from 14 onwards. That's starting from the 15 we are about to start. The problem number 15. Okay. Let us read the problem first. Read that one. See the problem. A pipe closed at one end can produce overtones at a frequency 640 Hz, 896 Hz and 1152 Hz. Calculate the fundamental frequency. We need to calculate the fundamental frequency. Let us consider N0 is the fundamental frequency. N0 is the fundamental frequency. Okay. Then when first condition, it is very important that pipe closed at one end. A pipe closed at one end. For that one, we know very well that if N0 is the fundamental frequency, okay, it is fundamental frequency, then we know that during a pipe closed at one end, we are about to get odd harmonics. Odd means we know odd values. Multiply with that fundamental frequency. Odd harmonics are present. That is 5N0, 3N0, 5N0. Then we have this 7N0. What about this? After fundamental frequency, we have this first overtone. What it is? First overtone. Or also we can term it as a first overtone and third harmonic. This one is your second overtone and fifth harmonic. What about this? This is your third overtone and seventh harmonic. So all these are given. Okay, this frequency it is given. Because first overtone and second overtone when a pipe closed at one end, it is given. For the first overtone we need to consider. First overtone, okay. In this first overtone, that is 3N0, a value it is given. How much it is? 640 Hz. And what about the second overtone? For the second overtone, the value it is given, that is 5N0 is equal to 896 Hz. Okay. If we take the difference between these two, 5N0 minus 3N0 is equal to 2N0. Okay. Because 5N0 minus 3N0, obviously it is 2N0. Corresponding frequencies also get subtracted. Corresponding frequency, it is 896. I will write it bigger. 896 minus 640, it comes out to be 256. This frequency is in Hertz, obviously. Means corresponding to 2N0, we have 256. So I am going to equate these two. 2N0 is equal to 256. Then fundamental frequency N0 is equal to 256 upon 2. How much it is? It comes out to be 128 Hz. This is your final answer. Okay. Now we have the 16th numerical problem. Read the problem. A standing wave is produced in the tube open at both the ends. The fundamental frequency is 300 Hz. Carefully read out all the data which is given. Fundamental frequency it is given. Let us consider the fundamental frequency is N. N is equal to 300 Hz. Okay. Full stop. What is the length of the tube? What is the length of the tube? Okay, then also it is given in the bracket. Speed of the sound is 340 meter per second. Obviously, the end correction is not given. Means we'll have to neglect that end correction. Whenever it is not given, we'll have to neglect the end correction. Okay. So initially the fundamental frequency n, it is given n is equal to how much? That is 300 hertz. 300 hertz. Then what is the length of the tube? When I'm going to give the velocity v is equal to 340 meter per second. Okay, and the condition is this one. Tube, it is open at both the ends. Tube, it is open at both the ends. I'm going to write that. Tube is open, okay, open at both ends. Both ends. If the tube is open at both the ends, we know the velocity formula. V is equal to 2n into L. Here in bracket, neglecting end correction. Neglecting end correction. Okay, neglecting end correction. If we neglect the end correction, velocity it is given, frequency it is given, we can easily calculate this length. Okay, this length can be calculated easily. That means L is equal to V upon 2n. V is equal to 340 divided by 2 into how much? N value 300. If we solve this, we are going to get, we say 34 upon 60. Okay. If we solve that one, the expected answer, or we are going to get the answer, that is 0. If we calculate, it comes out to be 0.566. See, it is all given in SI unit, so answer is in meter. Okay. Here it is the answer before you. Here we have the 17th numerical. I am going to read that one. Find the fundamental, first overtone. See carefully. Find fundamental, first overtone, second overtone, frequencies of the pipe when open at both the ends, of length 25 centimeter. Okay, 25 centimeter. If the speed of the sound is 330 meter per second, see the length it is given in centimeter. We need to convert that into SI units, because the speed it is given in 330 meter per second. Okay, so accordingly we are going to obtain the value of frequency of the first, means a fundamental frequency, then the first overtone, then we have the second overtone. So accordingly, one by one we are going to get that. Okay, see carefully before starting. For the overtone number or the frequency of the overtone, we have the formulae that we will have to remember. Okay, when one end it is closed, how much? When one end closed, how to calculate the frequency? Frequency of overtone number P. P is the overtone number. Okay, frequency of overtone number, maybe first overtone, that time P is equal to 1. When the second overtone, P is equal to 2. NP, P overtone number, maybe the first overtone, maybe the second overtone. Okay, so NP is equal to 2P plus 1 into fundamental frequency. Means initially we'll have to know the fundamental frequency so as to calculate the overtone number when one end it is closed. P may be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, condition when one end it is closed. When both the ends are open, when both ends are open. Both ends open. That time the formula changes. That is Np is equal to P plus 1 into N. Once again, P for the first overtone 1, second overtone 2, third overtone 3, 4. Okay, dash. Means which formula we are going to utilize for the 17, sir? When both ends are open. Both ends are open. Means we are going to utilize this formula because both ends are open. Instead of that one, if one end is closed, that time we are going to utilize this formula. Okay. Now what it is given? So length it is given, that is length is equal to 25 centimeter, that means 0.25 meter. Okay. Then we have the velocity, it is given. How much? Velocity it is 330 meter per second. 330 meter per second. See carefully. We know the formula that V is equal to 2N into L. Okay. V it is known. We can easily calculate the N because N is equal to V upon 2L. Substitute. N is equal to V. V is how much? It is given. It is 330. 330 and 2 into 0.25. It is equal to. Then that fundamental frequency comes out to be, sir, this 2 into 0.25, 0.5 I can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means a 2, it is going in a numerator or it is shifted in numerator. That time 330 into 2, that is 660 hertz is the answer for the fundamental. Now we need to calculate the value of the first overtone. Okay. So if P is equal to 1 for first overtone, okay, first overtone, that time I am going to calculate the frequency regarding the first overtone, which is given by Np is equal to P plus 1 into N. So we know P is equal to 1. So substituting 1 plus 1 into N, that means it is 2N. Means obviously 660 into 2 is equal to how much? For the first overtone, Np. This is the general formula. So Np, first overtone 1. Okay. It comes out to be near about 1320 hertz after multiplying it by 2. Okay. This is your answer. See, 200, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. Here it is for the first overtone. What about the second? Sir, for the second overtone, P is equal to 2 for second overtone. Okay. For the second overtone, we know the general formula. Np is equal to P plus 1 into N. We know for the second overtone P is equal to 2. Okay. P is equal to 2. Here it is. P is equal to 1 for the first. P is equal to 2 for the second overtone. 2 plus 1 into N value is how much? N is, sir, already we have calculated N. 660. 660. 3 into 660. How much? 0. 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. Here it is 1980 hertz. This is your N2. Okay, this is your N2. Okay, here is your 18th numerical. Read carefully with me. A pipe open at both the ends has a fundamental frequency 600 hertz. Okay, 600 hertz. the first overtone of pipe closed at one end. See the first overtone when one end is closed. We'll have to remember that all odd harmonics are present. Odd harmonics means if I'm going to consider NO is the fundamental frequency 3N0, 5N0, 7N0. This is a series. Means only the odd harmonics are present when the one ended is closed. Okay. Once again, the first overtone of pipe closed at one end has the same frequency, as a first overtone of pipe, open pipe, of the open pipe. Means we know that even as well as odd harmonics are present when both the ends are open. So we need to consider here the first overtone, that is twice the NO. Okay, open end. So seems to be considering the same fact. I am going to write that how long are two pipes. How long are two pipes means regarding the length I am going to consider that. Means we are going to measure the lengths, corresponding lengths. Okay. Okay. Here it is. We know the formula, that fundamental frequency it is given. Let us consider the fundamental frequency when the pipe it is open. NO is equal to 600 Hertz. Okay. And we know when both the ends are open, when both ends open, that time we are going to write velocity is equal to 2N0 L0. For the open I am going to consider NO open frequency, LO open length. So we know the velocity we are expecting, that velocity is always, it is 330 meter per second. It is not given in that one, but we need to consider that. Okay. So here it is 330 is equal to 2 into 600 into LO. Obviously one of that 0 cancels with this 120. 33 upon 120 is equal to L0. That means again we are going to solve that. That comes out to be, we say L0 is equal to 11 divided by 40. So we'll have to remember this. Okay. This ratio is in, all these factors are given, it is in meter, means it is also in meter. Okay. So yellow is this one. So we need to get one more sentence, we'll have to carefully read out. The first overtone, N, I'm going to write that, for open, for both ends open. I'm going to write the series now. The series is this one. Sir, open N0, 2N0, 3N0, 4N0, go on. That means even as well as odd harmonics are present for one end closed. For one end closed, N0, 3NC, or instead of that one I am going to write NC, closed end. NC, 3NC, 5NC, only odd harmonics are present. Means first overtone, once again, the first overtone of pipe closed at one end means 3NC is equal to, first overtone of pipe closed at one end has the same frequency of the first overtone of pipe open end, that means 2N0. These are equal. First overtone, they are equal. Okay. Now we need to calculate the values. We know that velocity formula V is equal to 4nL when both the ends are closed. Okay, and velocity closed, one end closed, one end closed, closed, one end closed, and V is equal to 2NO that means both end open. That means I'm going to write NC is equal to V upon 4LC. Similarly, NO is equal to V upon 2LO. Okay, these values put in 1. Sir, where is 1? Here it is, the equation number 1. Okay, I'm going to write that. So here it is 3 into NC. V upon 4LC is equal to 2 into V upon 2LO. The equal factor get cancelled. Okay, here the 2 cancels with this 2. All these factors remain. So we know the yellow is how much? 11 by 40 means it comes out to be in reciprocal 40 upon 11. 40 upon 11 yellow. So this is 3 by 4 into LC. NC is equal to V upon 4LC. Similarly, NO is equal to V upon 2LO. Okay, these values put in 1. Sir, where is 1? Here it is, the equation number 1. Okay, I'm going to write that. So here it is 3 into NC. V upon 4LC is equal to 2 into V upon 2LO. The equal factor get cancelled. Okay, here the 2 cancels with this 2. All these factors remain. So we know the yellow is how much? 11 by 40 means it comes out to be 4 divided by 3. So it comes out to be how much? That answer is comes out to be, see, LC is equal to 3 by 4, 11 into, right. So LC is equal to how much? Now we have the 19th numerical of this session, the last problem of this session. A string of length 1 meter. Listen carefully. The string of the length is 1 meter. Long, fixed at one end. Okay, I am going to take one end fixed and other end. Due to this, what happens here? The other end moving up and down. Other end, it is move up and down with a frequency 15 hertz. With a frequency how much? 15 hertz. Due to this, a stationary wave with a 4 complete loops. How many loops? 4. 4 loops, complete loops gets produced on the string. Find the speed of the progressive wave which produce stationary wave. The hint it is clearly given. Remember that moving end is an antinode. So we are going to observe the diagram. Okay, see the diagram. In this diagram, open end is antinode because we are going to move this up and down. so that complete 1, 2, 3, 4 loops are formed, and which is tied at this rigid support at the end. Okay, at this end. One loop, antinode, node, node, antinode, node, antinode, node, antinode, node, okay, antinode, and lastly the node. And we know that total length of this total string L is equal to 1 meter. And what the factor, although it is given, the frequency it is given. How much is the frequency? Frequency is 15 hertz. Okay, so we need to calculate the total length of this in 1 meter in terms of lambda. This one is lambda by 4, 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 lambda by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how much? 9 lambda by 4. The length of this one is 9 lambda upon 4. How? The distance between antinode and node. Distance between antinode and node. See, antinode, node, antinode, node. Okay, then we have antinode, then we have node, then we have antinode, then we have node, then we have antinode, then we have node. This is the distance. Lambda by 4, 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 lambda by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lambda by 4. Okay. So if we equate 9 lambda by 4 is equal to 1. Obviously, it is equal to 1. So lambda is equal to 4 by 9. Lambda is equal to 4 by 9. Now what we are going to calculate? Find the speed. So speed V is equal to question mark. We know that V is equal to N lambda. N is 15 and lambda is 4 by 9. Okay, and then velocity it comes out to be, after solving this, 15 4 the 60. 60 upon 9, it comes out to be how much? Our answer is 6.66. 6.66. Obviously, all these are given in SI unit, so answer is in SI unit. It comes out to be 6.66. Okay, thank you.